Hi everyone, here's how you can take a quick screenshot of your charts without having to use a snipping tool. So by default we have a keyboard shortcut called ALT+P. So when you hit those keys both at the same time, you'll see in the bottom left corner, successfully copied chart image to clipboard. So now all you have to do is paste in whatever document you want. So here's a Word document, so Control V to paste, or right click paste with your mouse, and there's the image. Exactly of the whole screen. So you can paste in social media posts or emails, anything you like. Now we can also create a toolbar button at the top. So Alt-P is the keyboard shortcut, but if you hit the plus and then go down to add action, and under the actions search for copy, and it's copy page to clipboard. So if I select that one, there's the keyboard shortcut there, and then just click away. That's added that button there, and we can right click on that button, change the label to something like screenshot, change the color, anything you like. So anytime you want to take a screenshot, you can either use a keyboard shortcut or click that button. Hope that's been useful. Any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.